Hey folks, you guys ever have a customer come in and they say that it needs a wheel nut? Yeah, wish it was just a nut. Look at this. Somebody messed up the threads on this, and this one's starting to get messed up too, because you can see the little metal parts of it. So I don't know if the lug nuts are no good, but that's definitely stripped. This is on a Honda Accord in 09. But check this out. Look at this stud. It ain't coming out from the back because it's hitting this piece of the spindle. See it? So that means this whole hub assembly would have to come off in order to change the stud or studs. See it? There's no way you can get that out unless you cut it off. Some people can cut it off, cut half of the stud off and make it come this way if you wanted to. There are ways you could do it, but other than that, it's going to need a hub to be removed. Then you need a new lock nut for the CV joint. Yeah, it's not going to be that easy. All right, let's see what the customer says. Ciao. Look at that stuff. Son of a, it's been like that for a while. You can see all the rust. It wasn't like that. It was like yesterday. It wasn't like that. It's been around. You can drive around with 4 lug nuts. You'll be okay too, especially if it's local driving. Okay? Ciao. Thanks for watching.